take a 12 gauge shotgun shell and we're going to remove the percussion cap by taking a punch, sticking it down in there right on top of that percussion cap, and give it a smart tap with the hammer. There it is, right there. Perfect. No percussion cap, ready for the next step. Take a 3/4 inch piece of wood and a 3/4 inch hole saw and just drill a hole. And then take a razor blade and cut off the ends of it to make it a little bit shorter, and also this will be used as our plug in our shell. There. Take a firework and put it about halfway into your wood dowel thing. A little less than halfway. Then take a coffee straw and put it through the back of your shotgun shell. Put the fuse in this coffee straw and then push it through the shell. There, now it's ready to load. Take your shotgun shell with the firework in it and put some BBs into it. Well, that's about 14 BBs. And take some paper towel and stuff it in on top of the BBs. Now, none of the BBs can fall out, and it's ready to use.